All right, guys, 2018 Yoda. Customer wife states check engine light is on. Check engine light confirmed. There's the mileage. Just gassed up a few days ago. It says tighten until one click. Read P0456. P0456. Let's go check what that is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase his code. Then I am going to go back outside. Erase. Done. This off. Go back outside. That's just looks like this. Wow, it didn't seem that very tight. Okay, it says right there. Tighten until one click. There, one click. Close that. Should be good to go. All right, update. It's been a couple days. Check engine light. It went back on, so I'm just going to change the cap. Here's the part number. USA of USA and imported parts. Here's part number. Take this off. See if I can do that with one hand. I'm not sure. All right, so this is the old part. This is the new part. The new part looks prettier. It's a whole lot more shinier. And the old part, the rubber, it's a little soft, but it's not hard. Oh, this is softer though. All right, I'll give this a try. All right. One click. Stick that in there. Okay, we'll give this a try. This is supposed to be a short, but it's turning into a long short. All right, it's time to finish up this video. Here is the mileage. See if the check engine light is off. Yes, check engine light is off, so that's good news. So all I had to do was change the cap and it worked. And there is, wait, let's turn this on. There is my fuel. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. I'm glad that this worked. I didn't have to go to the dealer. Allah.